On the app home screen, tap the menu button. This is the menu screen. Tap Settings. Tap Alarm Strategies. Choose the strategy you'd like to modify notifications. In the Send App Notification area, tap Notification Settings. In the ringtone area, tap the drop-down box. Select a tone. Tap the Critical Alert checkbox, if desired. Tap the Close button. Tap Save. Check and update your phone's notification settings, as needed. Go to iPhone Settings. Search YoLink. Tap Notifications. Verify Allow Notifications, sounds and badges are enabled. Enable critical alerts, if desired. Finally, test your new notification settings. Thank you.